Hold it.
So we're pushing the strings out, the bushes, replacing it. My Tavale here is the main mechanic and I'm the apprentice. Oh.
Hold it.
Old bushes here, removed. These are the new bushes, size of my cock, my foreskin.
Okay, hold this one. Okay, you're using this old one.
It's the old one.
Okay, hold.
Sweet. We're just gonna, after you clean all the residue out of the spring eye, you just wanna use the old pin to wrap the new bushes back in. What you wanna do is you wanna bang the motherfucker like you bang your missus. And it goes in, you just keep banging harder and harder and harder and harder and harder until you can't go no more, and then you pull out. Make sure you leave it all in there. Pull out.
Okay.
That's it right there. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that the top of the pin is aligned with the body of the chassis. And once again, it's round 2.
The right place, bro? Hold it a bit. I just make. It's already lined?
Yeah.
It's already lined? Hold it a bit?
Yeah.
You already hold?
Yeah.
It's not lined.
Seems like for myself.
Hold. No, this is washer.
Oh, the washer.
Hold that. Hold. You hold this one. Camera, hold it. It's really right now. Now hold.
Yep.
Hold it there. Hold the video. Hold it.
Pulling.
Put this one. No, hold now. Hold. Okay, hold it. Okay?
Yep.
Okay. Now hold it.
Pulse.
Hold. Hold this one. Hold the video.
Yep.